LSU freshman Jeremy Hill highlighted a breakout 124-yard, two-touchdown performance with a 50-yard scoring run, and the 9th-ranked Tigers handed number 3 South Carolina its first loss of the season, 23-21, on Saturday night in Baton Rouge. Lock. LSU 6-1, 2-1 Southeastern Conference substantially outgained South Carolina 6-1, 4-1 406 yards to 211, but struggled to find the end zone. 3 times, LSU settled for field goals after driving at least as far as the Gamecocks' 5-yard line, and another drive to the South Carolina 15 stalled on a missed field goal. But Hill's long score with "Thank you for trying" verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. 5:03 left gave LSU a 9-point lead that proved too much to overcome. Texas Tech 49, West Virginia 14, set to passed for 6 touchdowns and a season-high 499 yards as the Red Raiders 5-1, 2-1 shocked the 5th-ranked Mountaineers 5-1, 2-1 in Lubbock, Texas, ending West Virginia's hopes for an unbeaten season. Texas Tech's defense consistently stymied West Virginia's offense. Heisman Trophy hopeful Geno Smith completed 29 of 55 passes for 275 yards. Oklahoma 63, Texas 21, Eamon Williams broke off a 95-yard touchdown run for the longest rush in red. Thank you for trying verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. River rivalry history. Blake Bell powered his way in for TS and the number 13 Sooners 4-1, 2-1 Big 12 beat the number 15 Longhorns 3-2, 1-2 in Dallas. Florida 31, Vanderbilt 17, quarterback Jeff Driscoll ran for 177 yards and 3 touchdowns, and the 4th-ranked Gators 6-0. 5-0 SEC beat Vanderbilt 2-4, 1-3 in Nashville to remain undefeated. Kansas State 27, Iowa State 21, quarterback Colin Klein ran for 105 yards and 3 touchdowns, and the 6th-ranked Wildcats 6-0, 3-0 Big 12 held off the Cyclones 4-2, 1-2 in Ames. Thank you for trying verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. Iowa, Alabama 42, Missouri 10, Eddie Lacy and T.J. Yeldon gave the top-ranked Crimson Tide 6-0, 3-0 SEC. The pair of 100-yard rushers in the same game for the first time this season, and the duo combined for 5 scores in a soggy, weather-delayed victory over the Tigers 3-4, 0-4, in St. Louis. USC 24, Washington 14, Anthony Brown blocked a punt and returned it 21 yards for a touchdown in the first half. Jawanza Starling forced and recovered Keith Price's fumble inside the USC 5-yard line in the 4th quarter, and thank you for trying verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. The number 11 Trojans 5-1, 3-1 Pac-12 overcame offensive inconsistency to beat the Huskies in Seattle. Silas Red rushed for 108 yards and a touchdown in the first half. Oregon State 42, BYU 24, Kobe Vass, filling in for the injured Sean Mannion, passed for 332 yards and 3 touchdowns in his first start since high school, lifting the number 10 Beavers 5-0 over the Cougars 4-3 in Provo, Utah. Boise State 20, Fresno State 10, DJ Harper rushed for 122 yards and a touchdown, and Joe Southwick threw for another score. Thank you for trying verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. As the number 24 Broncos 5-1, 2-0 Mountain West chewed up 215 yards on the ground and earned their 5th consecutive win, beating the Bulldogs 4-3, 2-1 in Boise, Idaho. Florida State 51, Boston College 7, E.J. Manuel threw for a career-high 439 yards and 4 touchdowns, and kicker Dustin Hopkins became the ACC's career-scoring leader as the 12th-ranked Seminoles 6-1, 3-1 ACC routed the Eagles 125, 0-3 in Tallahassee.